Good afternoon and welcome to the Cable Club around here at the Cable Chelsea Trophy. It's the all-important final. It's District Thunders taking on the Chelsea Tigers.
Trophy 2021. Look at the joy. Let's start to celebrate.
Good afternoon and welcome to the Cable Club around here at the Cable Chelsea Trophy. It's the all-important final. It's District Thunders taking on the Chelsea Tigers. We have the two captains, the match officials, and our guest, Sayyid Mohammad Azharuddin, the captain of the former Indian team, as well as Mohammad Kaif, former Indian cricketer. We also have Dr. Sheshwar Susuran Sahib, Chancellor of the Cable University, Sayyid Aliam Hussain Sahib, Co-Chancellor of the Cable University, and also Deputy Commissioner of Police, Sri Kishore Babaji. We are all ready for the toss. Okay. That is the ball from the Tigers and it's the hand.
This time he drives that one to the mid-off region and get the single. Good running, good understanding in between both these two batsmen. Excellent over comes to an end. Cuts it beautifully. Oh, misfield by the fielder. Akshay Patil is the man. Right on the leg side. And into the boundary, white ball. Gentle loosener and the batsman helped the ball on its way. Shot of length ball, pulls that one in the air, no chance for the fielder. Just over the head of the fielder and into the fence. Slow one, good change of pace, outside edge of the bat. The ball running away towards the deep third man area and it went all the way, second boundary in this over. Wrapped on the pad, appears, given him out. That looks really plumb. Saurabh Puttur is the man. He has to depart. Slow one in the air, man at long off. Can he take that? Yes, he has. Second wicket goes down. And this time it's a big wicket. Wind up nicely, whacks that one over long on. There is a man in the deep. And no chance for the two fielders. Cuts it beautifully, beats the inner circle and into the fence. Lovely shot by Asif Sikandar. Opens his front leg, inside right, over extra cover. What a shot this is. This time in the air, man at long on. No chance, that went all the way. That's a tremendous blow. Cuts it beautifully, beats the fielder at point region. and into the boundary. Wind up in the air. That went miles up in the air. Fielder. It's a Madhav Bajaj is the man who takes the catch. Slow one in the air again. Who is the fielder? It's a Hafiz. Hafiz is the man who takes it comfortably. Another wicket goes down. Back-to-back wickets. Played that one straight down the ground. Long on, long off in place. Can they stop that delivery? No, they doesn't. Wonderful shot from Irshad Ahmed. The lovely way to open the account. He goes high. Man at long off. Wait for the umpire signal. Boundary signal by the umpire. Nice shot. This time the ball goes high. Who will take that? Abul Hassan is the man. And what a catch this is. Goes high. Goes bang. And that's a launched over long on. That's a magnificent strike. In the air, but in the gap. Well over the fielder side. Ball running away to the boundary. Much needed boundary for the KCC Tigers. He whacks that one over deep into wicket. This is a tremendous blow. Take that. This time plays that one over long on. Fielder Abul Hassan is the man. They come back, want to go back for the second. This could be run out. Yes, it is. Easy run out. 20 overs completed. After the completion of 20 overs, the total score 148. The target for the JC Thunders 149 in the limited 20 overs. Can JC Thunders chase down 149 target? We will wait and see. We will be back shortly. Once again, a warm welcome to this JC Thunders innings. The target is 149. Nitish PD will be the bowler. Easily worked that one to the onside. Rahul Injlekar and the back for the want to back for the second, but Vijay Kumar Ankalkar sent him back. This time plays that one to the onside. There is a man at deep square leg, no chance. That's went like a rocket through the fence. This was in the air again. Praveen Deshat is the man. Can he take that? Yes, he has. What a catch! What a sensational catch this is. He's the man. Super ball. And the ball goes to the boundary. Easily played that one to the onside. Ball running away to the boundary. Fielder beyond the ball. Can he pull that one inside the rope? No, he doesn't. He goes straight down the ground. Has he got the distance? Just not in. Just one bounce into the fence. This time in the air. It takes the yellow route. Over extra cover. Wow, what a shot this is. This time in the air. To the extra cover. What a shot this is. What is long off? So I beg your pardon. Yes. Abul Hassan is the man. LBW, really big breakthrough. This time bangs that one through the deep third man area. What a shot from Mohammad Nafiz, who joins into the party. Goes straight back, straight down the ground. What a shot. This is, went like a tracer bullet. Reverse sweep. Again, give him out. Would you believe it? Big wicket, big breakthrough. And the prize scout. Down the track he comes, he plays that one to the deep cover area. There is a fielder. Rajesh Kumar is the man, misfield and into the fence. Wraps on the pad, another wicket goes down. Madhav Bajaj is the man. He's on the back foot. Easily played that one to the onside. They will go through the single, direct it. And the third umpire, in fact, the third umpire has been called for. That looks really close. You can see the decision on the big screen. Out is the signal by the umpire. You can see that. You can see the replay of that run out. He bangs that one down the ground. And that went like a very, very fast. That's a tremendous shot. Much needed boundary. Handy boundary, I have to say. Boundary to end the over. Down the track he comes. He plays that one over. Long off. Over extra cover. What a six. That went out of the ground. Look at that. That went. They pulls that one to the onside. Man at long on. One bounce into the hands of the fielder. And this time they are going for the run. This took a terrible mix-up. Mohammad Nafiz is the man, has to go. Goes high, man in the air. Praveen Deshetti is the catcher, and he takes it comfortably. Lovely catch by Praveen Deshetti. Pulls that one, beautiful shot. That went for the distance. What a shot! Much needed 6 for the team. The players are standing right on the boundary rope to celebrate. Look at that, KCC Tigers owner Mudabbir Khan is quite happy. You can see the Mudabbir Khan, the owner. That's it, it's all over. KCC Tigers are the champions of this KBN Champions Trophy 2021. Look at the joy. They start to celebrate. Incredible cricket played by KCC Tigers. They have defended 148 runs on the board, and they are the champions of this KBN Champions Trophy 2021. KCC Tigers. Over to the studio. Over to the Tyre Abbas.
Thank you, Mallikarjun sir. Congratulations to KCC Tigers, the team sponsors, MMK Foreign Exchange and Microtouch, headed by Mudabbir Khan and Mr. Laik, the team sponsors. And the team sponsors for JC Thunders are NIFS Institute and Limra Mobiles. Winners of the KBN Champions Trophy first edition is KCC Tigers. Zoradar everybody.
Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, one and all present here. I, Dr. Shairfan Nizami, will be your host and the master of ceremony for this presentation ceremony of the most magnificent event conducted for the 4th time in the northern Karnataka under the leadership of Janab Syed Shah Khusro Hussaini Sahab, the Chancellor of Khaja Banda Nawaz University and Chairman for Khaja Banda Nawaz House of Sports and the Sports Committee. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you all to the presentation ceremony of the finals of Khaja Banda Nawaz Champions Trophy. It started as Khaja Banda Nawaz Premier League in 2018 after a successful completion of 3 seasons. Third season was an extraordinary season where we had many additions to the event last year, where we had club players all the way from South Africa, and we even had John T. Rhodes, and we even had Herschel Herman Gibbs, along with our brand ambassador, Muhammad Azharuddin sir. One big round of applause. And now, in 2021, it was made as Khaja Banda Nawaz Champions Trophy. And again, it turned out to be a massive success. This initiative was again taken up by KBN House of Sports, that is Khaja Banda Nawaz House of Sports, in collaboration with Khaja Banda Nawaz University. Thank you all. One big round of applause to this institution and even the university, which is Khaja Banda Nawaz University. And all this was possible by the support extended by Janab Syed Shah Khusro Hussaini Sahab, President of Khaja Education Society, the Chancellor of Khaja Banda Nawaz University, and even the Chairman for this sports board. The finals were played between the two teams, that is KCC Tigers and JC Thunders, and both the teams have really fought a very long battle. They have played a number of rounds of crickets daily for around 10 to 11 days, and then they had qualifier 1, and after that they had eliminators, and again they had qualifier 2, and then they were able to make up to the finals. So one huge round of applause. Let's all applaud the efforts of the players. The finals, the results are out. We know who is going to take the trophy to their house. So many congratulations to the team. That is KCC Tigers won the match and they'll be taking the trophy to their home. I request Janab Dr. Syed Shah Khusro Saini sir also to kindly join and hand over the runners-up check of rupees 2 lakh to the running-up team. The runners-up team of Khaja Bandha Nawaz Champions Trophy for the year 2021. One big round of applause, people. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is the runners-up team of Khaja Bandha Nawaz Champions Trophy.
Everybody, big round of applause.
The man of the match was picked by the officials and by the entire board of members of the KBN Board for Sports. The player's name is Mr. Praveen Deshetty. May I request the dignitaries to kindly hand over a check of rupees 5,000 from Khaja Bandha Nawaz House of Sports. Man of the match for the finals. And just not that, our associate sponsor, that is Gulbarga Travels, has sent a round trip air ticket from Bangalore to Gulbarga and back to Gulbarga. So may I request the representative of Gulbarga Travels to kindly come and do the honors, please. Mr. Raufuddin Ali Khan, representative Gulbarga Travels, handing over the prize, that is a round ticket via flight. It's now time to call upon the best bowler for Khaja Bandha Nawaz Champions Trophy. Any guesses? It's Yunus Raja. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, can I request Mohammad Kaif to kindly do the honors?
Yunus Raja, who has taken 17 wickets and has been leading the wicket taps. Yunus Raja, Zora Talia.
A pair of shoes and a check of rupees 10,000 being handed over from Khaja Bandha Nawaz House of Sports. Let the claps keep coming, ladies and gentlemen. May I request Mohammad Azharuddin sir to kindly hand over the prize for the best batsman of Khaja Bandha Nawaz Champions Trophy. Ladies and gentlemen, any guesses? The best batsman for this tournament is Abul Hasan Khalid. A bat and a check of rupees 5,000 from Khaja Bandha Nawaz House of Sports with 431 runs.
Yes, indeed, Abul Hasan Khalid, 431 runs and at average of 71.83 and a strike rate of 163. Abul Hasan has been a star player for JC Thunders, and indeed, the award for the best batsman is gone to Abul Hasan.
All right, the second best performer of this tournament, may I request Mohammad Azharuddin sir to kindly do the honors. Any guesses, people? It's Praveen Deshetty. It's not a prize, it's a key of Honda X-Blade.
The Bharat Honda X-Blade goes to the second best performer of the tournament, Praveen Deshetty. Praveen Shetty scored 448 runs out of 10 innings at an average of 49.78 and his strike rate is 137. His highest score in the Champions Trophy is 133 not out, 17 sixes, 47 fours. 47 fours, 350s and 100.
This is the exclusive prize by the Chancellor, Janab Dr. Syed Shah Khusro Saini Sahab. The title is the Emerging Player of Khaja Bandha Nawaz Champions Trophy, and to do the honors, I would request Mohammad Azharuddin sir and Mohammad Kaif to kindly join. And the player is Mr. Javeed Ahmed.
Javeed Ahmed has been a Gulbarga district player. Matches 7 and he has taken 8 wickets at an economic of 6.6. Javeed Ahmed has been selected as emerging player because he is from the Gulbarga district. इसीलिए उन्हें ये award दिया जा रहा है, and he will be also getting
a key of Honda Activa. And we have a special prize, that is the Emerging Player in the memory of Mr. Najmul Hussain. Mr. Tahir Abbas will be handing it over. A check of rupees 10,000.
emerging player has been my late father Najmul Hussain, and he was cricket fanatic. बहुत ज़्यादा क्रिकेट सपोर्ट करते हैं, खास करके अजू भाई के बहुत बड़े फैन थे. जब भी अजहर भाई अच्छा परफॉर्म करते थे तो घर में अच्छी चीज़ें बनती थी, कभी जल्दी आउट हो जाते थे तो घर में पूरा गुस्सा होता था. I think his soul will definitely rest in peace after this wonderful. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Honda Repsol, and the title is Man of the Series. Any guesses, ladies and gentlemen? Yes, of course. 551 runs, and he has taken 12 wickets. So for this amazing performance, he is declared as Man of the Series. May I request the Chancellor, Sir, Mohammad Kaif sir, to kindly join and do the honours and hand over the key of Honda Repsol to Abhishek Reddy. One huge round of applause, people. Bharat Honda has supported the committee in this prize. Thank you so much. Congratulations, Abhishek.
Abhishek Reddy has scored 0 in his first game, and he is the man of the series because of his wonderful performance throughout the tournament. 2 centuries, 350s, 2 centuries, wonderful bowling performances has indeed earned him the man of the series. That is Bharat Honda Repsol.
One big round of applause. 551 runs is his total runs in this entire tournament.
And 12 wickets.
It is time to give away the Champions Trophy of Khaja Bandanawaz Champions Trophy. The winning team will be up on the stage to collect their trophy and a check of rupees 4 lakhs from our dignitaries present on the stage. Can we have the winning team be ready to come on the stage? The winning team of Khaja Bandanawaz Champions Trophy is up on the stage. KCC Tigers taking the trophy of Khaja Bandanawaz Champions Trophy for the year 2021. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the champions are up on the stage. One big round of applause. A check of rupees 4 lakhs and a trophy which is gold plated. May I request the director, Mr. Vishwanath, to kindly be present on the stage. Can we have a set of applause, please? We have the winners of Khaja Bandanawaz Champions Trophy for the year 2021, and the director of this tournament is joined. The sponsors of the team.
Congratulations to KCC Tigers, the champions of the Champions Trophy of the edition 1 of the KPN Champions Trophy. I request Dr. Sayyid Mustafa Hossain Sahab.